Hi, today I'll be making a detailed comparison of two of the biggest players in the space, Canva Magic Design and Adobe Express AI. Designing content is no longer just for professionals, but with so many platforms offering AI-powered design, which one should you choose? Let's get started comparing these two platforms. Canva is already a household name for easy-to-use design. Millions of creators, students, small business owners, and even enterprises use it every single day. Its Magic Design feature is Canva's AI-driven solution that takes your inputs, like a text prompt, an image, or even a short idea, and automatically generates full design templates for you. Think of it as a creative assistant that saves you time while still giving you plenty of customization options. On the other hand, Adobe Express is part of Adobe's massive creative ecosystem, but is positioned as a simpler, more streamlined tool compared to the likes of Photoshop or Illustrator. Adobe Express AI takes inspiration from Adobe's decades of design expertise, but makes it accessible with just a few clicks. It's not trying to replace Photoshop, it's giving you the power of Adobe's design intelligence without the steep learning curve. Now let's talk about the main features of both. First, the Canva Magic Design, AI-powered template generation. All you just need to do is input a few words or images and Canva instantly generates ready-to-use designs. Magic Media. You can create AI-generated images and videos directly inside Canva. Magic Write. It's a built-in AI text generator that you can use to generate captions, blog posts, or presentation slides. Magic Eraser and Background Remover. They are easy tools to clean up or adjust images. Brand Kit Integration. Yes, you use this to maintain consistent colors, fonts, and logos across all projects. Collaboration features. Teams can design together in real time using these features. And there's export flexibility. From social media posts to print-ready PDFs, you can export in whichever way you prefer. How about the Adobe Express AI? Firefly-powered generative AI. Yeah, you just type in prompts to instantly create high-quality images, backgrounds, or effects. There's AI text to templates. Yes, you can generate personalized layout from a prompt. Text effects and font suggestions that are powered by Adobe's font library is also something you have access to. It also has some video editing support where you can trim, you can resize, and apply effects directly in Adobe Express. There are also smart tools for removing backgrounds, for resizing for different platforms, and for enhancing images. And they have a direct integration with Adobe Stock, Photoshop, and Illustrator, making it easy to move between Express and these pro-level tools. There is strong brand control features for businesses, including template locking and shared libraries. Now, what is the pricing of these platforms like? With Canva, there's a free plan where you can design anything at no cost. Of course, it has limited features, but many people enjoy the free plan. There's a pro plan, Canva Pro, at £100 per year, depending on the country you're trying to apply from. There's also Canva Teams at £90 per year per person, and you need a minimum of 3 people. And there's also Canva Enterprise for your organization, where you can have a talk with Canva and negotiate a pricing. For Adobe Express, there's also a free plan for individuals who want basic content creation tools. There's limited generative AI credits and assets. And there's the premium plan at $9.99 per month. If you want to pay annually, it's $99.99 per year. Then the Teams plan at $4.99 per person monthly. And for annual, it's $49.99 per person annually. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Canva Magic Design, it is extremely beginner friendly. It has a wide template library and you get instant results. It's also great for social media managers, for students and small businesses, an all-in-one solution for images, videos, presentation, and documents. Yes. And the pros of using Adobe Express? It is backed by Adobe's professional design technology, and there's strong brand management features for businesses. It's kind of more affordable premium plan compared to Canva, especially when you do the annual subscription. How about the cons? For Canva Magic Design, well, AI designs can sometimes feel too generic. Canva also lacks the deep customization power that Adobe tools offer. And the cons of using Adobe Express AI? It is not as beginner friendly as Canva. Yes, there's a slight learning curve, and the free plan limits can feel restrictive if you do not upgrade. So having considered all this, which is the better choice in 2025? Well, the answer really depends on what you need. If you're a casual creator, a student, a social media manager, or a small business owner who values speed, simplicity, and variety, then Canva Magic Design is going to feel like the perfect fit. Because it's approachable, it's packed with templates, and its magic tools make design feel fun rather than overwhelming. But if you want more polished, higher quality AI outputs and a direct link to professional grid tools, then Adobe Express AI is a smarter choice. It's not just about creating something quickly, it's about creating something that aligns more closely with professional design standards. And if you're already in the Adobe ecosystem, the integration benefits are a huge plus. And that's it on the comparison of the Adobe Express AI and the Canva Magic Design. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Photo AI, Vista Create, and Designer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.